Hey y'all, so I'm about to get on the cinnamon roll hack that's been going around on TikTok, but I'm gonna be using Divine Cuisine's sugar spice as the sweetener because you can use this like how they've been doing the cinnamon and sugar, mixing it together. We have everything in the sugar spice. So let's get started. So with the cinnamon roll hack, they usually just use heavy cream, but you know I got to get a little more fancier. So we have heavy cream, we have condensed milk, and we have sweet potato puree. So let's get started. Okay, so 1 cup of heavy cream. We have 1/4 cup of condensed milk. And 3 tablespoons, or teaspoons rather, of our sweet potato puree. And we're just gonna mix all that together. Give that a good little mix here, a little whisk here. Okay. Okay, so we have a 1/2 cup of butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and melt this. So we have our melted butter and we have our 1 cup of sugar spice. Our sugar spice. And then we're going to stir all that together. And our sugar spice, it has all the warm spices in it. So it has nutmeg, it has your cinnamon, it has your brown sugar, it has cardamom. So it has a lot of fall-like flavors in it. So it's great for baking. Okay? Okay, y'all, so we're gonna pour some of our heavy cream mixture at the bottom. Then we're gonna take our Grand's cinnamon rolls. I use Pillsbury Grand's. Put those on top. Oh, I guess that was it. Guess they only give us 5, y'all. So we're gonna do 25 or about 20 minutes covered, and then we're gonna take it off and do 10 minutes uncovered. Okay, y'all, so it's been about 20 minutes. So we're gonna take off the cover. See how they've gotten all big, and now we're gonna let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes uncovered. Okay, y'all, so since we've taken it out, we're gonna take it to 400. Okay, so our cinnamon rolls are nice and ready. Yum to the tum tum. Okay, y'all, so they've been cooling for about 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna take the frosting and we're gonna spread the frosting all over these yummy cinnamon rolls. Thinking this would work, but it might be easier to get a knife and just, I think a knife is gonna be better. Icing as I can. There you have it. Then we're gonna take some caramel. I have salted caramel here. I'm gonna drizzle that. And then we have some chopped pecans. This is gonna be such a nice treat for the fall. You can have this breakfast, or you can have this, you know, parties, everybody will love it. So there you go. That is my take on this hack. Okay, so there you guys have it. We did our cinnamon rolls with the cinnamon roll hack. Just a couple little different things where I used Divine Cuisine sugar spice, as well as we made with our heavy cream. We put condensed milk and we did a sweet potato puree. So now I'm gonna go in and dig in and see how this tastes.